Today we have the 2024 Ford Camper. This vehicle has done just under 8,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our living area, which is complete with our 2 belted seats. Behind me is our kitchen, where we have our stove, sink, as we come across our fridge. Next up we have our toilet, as well as our shower and drain. As we pan the camera up, we can get a good view of our pop top. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. On our screen we can access mobile apps, navigation and Bluetooth, emergency assistance, Apple and Android CarPlay, Ford Pass Connect and valet mode. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side.